friends, welcome to the channel, and now we are going to start our exercise number 4.1. We have given the definitions of equation, variables and constants, and I will give the description. I will give the link in the description. Now we are going to start our exercise 4.1. It is too much easy exercise. We have to find the numbers and their statements are given. We have to write an equation, and equation is given. We have to write in statement. So it's very easy. So let's start exercise 4.1. So friends, this is our first number question. Complete the last column of the table. Means it is the last column of the table and it is the serial number and it is the equation. The values are given here. I have to say whether the statement is satisfied or right, yes or no. So you have to write yes or no. So firstly we will solve this equation. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So when we will transpose this plus 3 to this and LHS side, so what it will be? It will become minus and it will become minus 3. So this equation has to be here minus sign, but here is not there. So we will write here no. Its answer become no. And here it is written x plus 3 is equal to 0. So its answer is 0. So minus 3 is our answer. So this statement is also wrong. So we write here no. The statement is not satisfied. Friends, this is statements have to write here minus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. When we will transpose this 3 to LHS side, it's become minus 3 and this is the correct statement is x value is minus 3. So we write here yes, and we can write one more type that we can put this value in the x place. So when we will put the value of x means 3 at this place, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is not equals to this LHS, so it is not equal. So that's why we can write no. And this also 0 we will put. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 is equal to 0. No, it is also not the correct statement. But when we will put this minus 3 to this x side, it will cut minus 3 and plus 3 will cut and it will come 0. So 0 is equal to 0 is the correct statement. So we can write yes that type also, or we can solve it also. So both the ways are correct to solve, but we have to not to show by solving it. You can do it as a rough work. Okay. So now we will write x minus 7 is equal to 1. So when x minus 7 is equal to 1, we will transpose this minus 7 to this one side. What it will become? The sign will change. It will become in plus transposing and it will become 8. So x is equal to 8. So x is equal to not 7. We can put the 7 value to this side. 7 minus 7 is 0. So but here our LHS side is 1. So it's not equal. No. We can write here no. And now x minus 7 is equal to 1. And when we will put the value of this 8 at the side of x, means 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, so this value is our yes, means this statement is satisfied. And now we have, it is 5th number, we have to solve till 11th number, and now we will solve one more. So friends, now we are going to solve the 6, 7, 8 and 9th number question. What is given here? 5x is equal to 25. Okay, so now what we have to solve? 5x is equal to 25. When we will put this x value 0, 5 multiplied by 0, 0 is equal to 25. So this statement is not verified. And we can do one more type. 5x is equal to 25 is there. So we can write here x is equal to what? 25 divided by 5. It will become 5. So the answer is also 5. So the correct answer is 5. So we will write here no. The statement is not verified. And here it's 5. So this statement is correct. This 5 answer is correct. So we write here yes. And here minus 5 answer is written. So it is no, because when we will divide this, it will not give our answer in minus 5. So it will become no. When it will be the minus sign here or this minus 5 is, so then our answer can be minus 5. But this side no answer is minus 5. So we write here no. And 9th number question, m upon 3 is equal to 2. So we can write one more time. If we have to find the answer, minus 6, put the value minus 6 at this m side. Minus 6 divided by this 3, minus 2 our answer will come. But this answer is 2. So this statement is not verified. So we write here no. And we can solve one more time. Do the cross multiplication. Multiply this both sides upon 1. M is equal to 6. So the value of m is 6. We can know the answer directly. But the value of m is 6. So we can write here no. And now we have to solve 2 more. So friends, now we are moving to our question number 10 and 11. What is m upon 3 is equal to 2? So we know that our answer is 6. but in value is given x, m is value is given 0. So when we put here 0, 3 divided by 0 is 0. So it is not equal to LHS is 2. So we write here no, the statement is not verified, satisfied. And m upon 3 is equal to 2. We can put the value of m 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 upon 2 is correct answer. So we will write here yes. So our first question is completed. Now we are moving to our second number question. So friends, now we are moving to our second number question. What is? Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. So the value is given in the question. So we have to put the value and we have to find the answer is correct or not. We are moving to second number question. What is first? Second number question is first is n plus 5 is equal to 19, n is equal to 1. So the value of the n is given, it is 1. So it is our RHS and this is our LHS. We have to solve LHS first to the value. So it's equal to what? N. N is equal to 5. So the value of n is what? 1 plus 5 is equal to what? It is 6. And friends, by mistake we have written here is equal to sign here n plus 5. So n plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So the value of LHS is what? 6. And now what? RHS. So RHS is our what? It is 19. So RHS and LHS, sorry. LHS is equal to RHS is not equal. They are not equal because the value of LHS is 6 and the value of RHS is 90. So the both are not equal. So friends, now we are moving to our second number question. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 and the value of n is given minus 2. So we have to put the value in the 7. So how we will put here? How we will put? It will be what? 7n is given here. So what? 7n LHS is equal to 7n plus 5 is equal to what? The value of 7 is minus 2. So what is 7 bracket minus 2? Because we have to multiply, n is given here. It is multiplied sign. So n minus 2 multiplied plus 5 will be right here. Okay. So what it will be? Minus 14 plus 5. It will be what? It will be 9. So the value of LHS is what? It is 9. And the RHS value is what? Our 19. So the LHS and RHS is not equal. So friends, now we are moving to our second number. What? Second number, we are moving to third number question. What it is? 7n plus 5 is equal to 90 and the value of n is given 2. So multiply LHS is equal to what? Our 7n plus 5 is equal to what? 7n is equal to what? 7 into 2 bracket 2 plus 5. Okay, so what is the value? It is 14 plus 5 is equal to what? Our 19 and RHS is what? Our 19 and LHS is also our 19. So LHS is equals to RHS. Now we are moving to our fourth number question. What is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. The value of p is given 1. So multiply LHS is equal to whatever. It is 4p minus 3. So it's equal to what? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So LHS is whatever 1 and RHS is whatever 13. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Moving to our fifth number question. What is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13? The value of p is what? Minus 4. So what we have to do is right here LHS is equal to what? 4p minus 3. So now what? Multiply this 4 into what? Minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 16 minus 3. So what it will be? Minus 16 minus 3 is minus 19. And LHS is equal to whatever? Minus 19 and RHS is whatever? 13. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Now we are moving to our what? Sixth number question. What is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. The value of p is what? 0. So what we have to write? LHS is equal to what? 4p minus 3. So 4p is equal to 0 minus 3 is what? minus 3. So the value of LHS. So friends, what you were checking what you have right here 0. When 4 is multiplied by 0, what it will be? It will be 0. So we know that silly question. What is 4 into 0 is 0. And LHS is equals to what? Minus 3. RHS is what? RHS is what? Our 13. So this LHS and not equal to what? RHS. We are going to start our fourth number question. What is solve the following equation by the trial and error method? So you know what is trial and error method? We have to put the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What value we have to put? So take the RHS and LHS equal. So we have to write the trial and error method. So friends, what is our first number question? 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So what? We have to write LHS and here RHS. So we know this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So LHS is what? 5p plus 2. We have to write here 5p plus 2. And what is 17? We have to write here 17. And now what? Value of p. We have to decide what is the value of p. This p's value we have to write. So what? We can multiply it with this 5. So we can get the answer of 17. So this is very easy question. What you have to write? 5p plus 2. 5p plus 2 and 5p plus 2. 5p plus 2. Friends, 5p plus 2, 5p plus 2 we have written here. And now what we have to write? 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. And now what we have to write? 5p. So the value of p we are writing here. When 5 is multiplied by 0 plus 2, what it will be? It will be 2. So the answer is wrong. 5p plus 2 is what? 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 7 is there, and 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12 is there, 5 6 is 15 plus 2 it is 17. So we will write here 17, we will write here 17, and what it will be? It will be at 12, it will be at 7, and it will be at 2. What we are writing? Nothing how we have written this, because when we will multiply this 5 zeros, the 0 plus 2 is 2, so we will write here 2. 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 17. So we will write here 17, 17 and 17. So which is matching? 17 and 17. This 12, 17, 7, 17 and 2 17. They are not right, but this 5 2 3 17 is correct, because the value of this p is 3. So the correct statement is what? Our this last number 5p plus 2 is the value of p is 3, and the value of LHS is 13 and RHS is also 17. Now we are starting second number question. What is 3m minus 14 is equals to 4? So what? It is our LHS, this is our RHS. So right here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and then 4. Okay, so now what we have to write? 3m minus 14, 3m minus 14, 3m minus 14 and 3m minus 14, 3m minus 14, 3m minus 14 and then 3m minus 14. These are written. Now what we have to write? Value of p. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. And now what we have to write? Multiply this 3 0 0, 0 minus 14, so here is minus 14 not equal. 3 1 is 3 and minus 14, what it will be? It will be whatever, minus 11. And when it will be by 6 minus 14 is 8. And when this is multiplied, 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 8. So, and now what? 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 14 is what? Minus 2. And then minus 15, 15 minus 14 is whatever? It will become 1. And when 6 is 18, 18 minus 14 is whatever? 4. So this is the correct answer, because when this 4 3 is 12, what? 4 3 is 12 means 4, 6 is 18, 18 minus 14 is 4, and here also 4. So our last statement is correct. So friends, now we are going to start our fourth number question. Write the statement of the following equations. So we have to write the equation of the following statement. So what is the sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. So what? X and 4. So what is the meaning of and in the maths? It is plus. So what? X plus 4 is 9. Is means equals to. So we write here equals to 9. 8. So what? To subtract from y is 8. So from means what? This y will come at the first and this 2 will go at the back side. Means y minus 2 is 8. Okay. 10 times a is 70. Means what? 10 times a is 70. Times means what? Multiplication. So 10 times 8. When 10 is multiplied by 8, what? 10a is what? 70. So this is your answer. Friends, now we are going to start our fourth number question. What is the number b divided by 5 gives 6? So means what? B is divided by 5. So b divided by 5 gives. Gives means gives us. Means is equals to 6. So this is our answer. B upon 5 is 6. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of t means t gives 15. And now what? 7 times m plus 7 gives you gets you 77. Means 7 times m. 7m plus 7 gives you 77. 7 times means 7 multiplied by m. 7 multiplied by 7m plus 7 gives you 77. This is means you gets you 77. So friends, now we are going to move our seventh number question. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Means 1/4. 1/4 means 1 upon 4. A number x means x. Minus 4 gives you 4. Minus 4 gives 4 means equals to 4. Minus is written which means minus sign. Subtracting sign is equals to gives means equals to 4. If you take away 6 from 6 means if you take away 6 from 6 times y you get 60, which means what? 6y minus 6 is equals to 60. If you take away 6 from 6y, 6 times y, you get 60. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Which means what? If you take 1/3 of z plus 3 is equals to 30. We can write here. So friends, the answer of the ninth number is what? 1 upon 3 z plus 3 is equals to 30. So this is the answer of our fourth number question. And now we will solve fifth and sixth number question. So friends, now we are moving to our fifth number question. What is? Write the following equation in statement form. So some equations are given there. So we have to write the equation in the statement form. So friends, now we are moving to our fifth number. First question, what is? P plus 4 is equals to 50. So we have to write this equation in statement form. So how we will write this? P plus 4. So what? The sum of the sum of 4 and P is 15. So what do you write? The sum of 4 and the sum of P and 4 is 15. And now what? M minus 3 is equals to 7. So what? The difference. What? The difference. The difference of M and what? And 3 is what? Is 7. And now what? 2m is equals to 7. What is 2m is equals to 7? So what we will write? 2 times what? 2 times m is 7. M is 7. So friends, our fourth number question is what? M upon 5 is 3. So what we will write? The number m divided by 5 gives 3. What? The number 5. The number m divided by 5. What gives? 3 gives 3. And now what we will write here? The number 3 times m divided by 5 gives 6. The number 3 times m gives 3 times m divided by what? Divided by 5 gives 6. So friends, now we are moving to our 6th number question. What is 3p plus 4 is 25, 4p minus 2 is 18. So how we will write? If you add 4, what? If you add 4 to 3 times p, what? 3 times p gives 3. If you add 4 to 3 times p gives you what? 25. Okay. And now 8th number question, 4p minus 2, 7th number question, 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. So how will write? If you subtract 2 from 4 times p gives you what? Gives what? 18. So friends, we are moving to our 8th number question. What is p upon 2 plus 2 is 8 is equals to 8. So how we will write here? If we add 2 to half of 2, we get, friends, here 2 not here, 2 will be not here, will what? P, half of p, we get what? 8. So this is your answer. And now we are moving to, friends, now we are moving to our what? 6th number question. What is? Set up an equation the following cases. So what is our first number? Irfan. What? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. So we have to take m as the number of Parmeet's marble, and now we have to solve the equations. So friends, what we have to write? Let the number of marble Parmeet has. So let m be the number. Let m be the number. Let m be the number of the marble Parmeet has. So what we will write here? N. And now what? 5 times, more than Irfan, he has the marble. So what we will write? 5 times with 5m will be there. And now what? It is given 7. He has 37 times 7 marbles, more than Parmeet has 5 times the number of marble, and Irfan has 37 marbles. So what we will write? 5m plus 7 is equals to 37 is your equation. So friends, we are solving our second number question. Lakshmi's father is 49-year-old. He is 4 years older than 3 times her means Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi's age be y years. So we have to suppose the age of Lakshmi as y years. So here let suppose Lakshmi is here what? Y. And here given he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi. Means 3 times means 3y will be there. 3 times Lakshmi. And it is 4 year older means 4 year older means plus 4. And here given father is 49 years old. So equals to it is 49 year. So our statement is 3y plus 4 is equals to 49. So friends, we are going to start our third number question. The teacher tells that the highest mark highest mark obtained by the students in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. So we have to lowest score BL. So we have to suppose the lowest score BL, and now we have to make it equation. Friends, now we are moving to our question there. So we have to find out the equation. So here it is given. Let's suppose L be the lowest score. Be the lowest score. Okay, so score is there. So now what we have to do? Lowest score. So L is there now. So L is our lowest score. And here given twice the lowest score means it will be 2L. And here is given that it is added 7 means 2L plus 7 is there. And at last the teacher told that the highest mark obtained is 87. So what is our equation? 2L plus 7 is equals to 87. So friends, now we are starting our fourth number question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let take B as a base angle, and we know that the sum of the triangle is what? 180 degree. So we suppose B as what? Base angle, and what? A as the what? Vertex angle. Okay, B as base angle, A as vertex angle. Okay, so B as a base angle and A as a vertex angle. And now what we have to do? Here given either base angle twice either the base angle means B will be twice A plus B plus B, and here given we know that sum of the triangle is what? Sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B is A plus 2B is 180 degree. So this is our equation. A plus 2B is equals to 180 degree. Don't forget to like this video, and please share this video to your friends, relatives or many other friends, and please subscribe to our channel for knowing the other exercise 4.2 of the simple equation.